Let's have a look at the City Hall key. You'll find the City Hall on the far northeast side of the map here, and of course it's a marked building, so it's very easy to find your way to. When we get here, there are tons of different entrances, though don't worry, even though your key may have one use to it, you only need to open one door, as you can open the rest of them from the inside, so just pick any door you'd like to open and open it up. Now of course inside you'll find many shielded enemies, etc., so just be aware of the area that you're walking yourself into. Using a scan, you can see exactly how many AI are in the area. That's actually quite a lot. Inside of here, there's lots of orange boxes, as you'd expect, level 2 and level 1 guards alike, and of course, shieldy boys to make your life difficult. As long as you have grenades, molotovs, or semtexes to deal with them, it should be relatively easy. Just don't let yourself get swarmed from different sides, keep your wits about you, and keep looking behind you. So after fighting off the thousands of enemies, I've managed to explore most of this area, and to be honest, it's not too crazy. But anyways, that's about it for this quick guide, so thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!